Hello, my dear math students of third grade. Today we're going to be working on lesson 21 in math. You're going to have an abbreviated lesson, which is probably good news to your sweet little ears. We will be working on problems 1 through 10 today. Our lesson is not extraordinarily difficult. It's talking about naming dollars and cents. We have not necessarily talked about how we name those dollars and cents with decimal points and dollar signs, although we have used them in math somewhat. There's a few pitfalls of things I want to point out to you today. Our cent sign is always going to have two place values, okay? So this is the tens place and this is the ones place. And then we're going to have a decimal point. No matter what money we're talking about, sometimes we don't have any change and we're going to fill these things in with zeros. But then our dollars are going to come out this way. Let's say that we have $24. When we say $24 and no cents or 0 cents, could we ever use both symbols at the same time? No. We're not going to use a dollar sign and a cent sign at the same time. So just remember that, even though you say it when you're naming an amount of money, you would never do that. What if you have something like 124 cents? 124 cents. Now, when we look at that amount, is that not the same thing? That's 124, it could be 124 pennies. Is that not the same as $1.24 written this way? Yes, it is. We cannot combine these two symbols. We know that. And our decimal point is always going to go 2 places to the left of our starting line. And we would name this 124 cents. Now, is it wrong to name cents in, like, what if you have 997 cents? Is that written correctly? It is. There's nothing wrong with doing it that way. It's just that for the most part, if you can exchange 100 pennies for $1, that's the way that we're going to do it most often. So how would you convert 999 cents into dollars? We're going to take our decimal point, knowing that this is our starting line, and start it right here, and we're going to come over here and add our decimal point right here, and to name that $9.97. Okay. Another thing I do want to mention, I've noticed that some of us are forgetting that our dollar sign does not go at the end of the amount, it goes at the beginning. Now when you say $9.97, dollars, you know, you can say it after the amount, but when we go to write it, we're going to include that symbol before. So I believe that's really all I needed to share with you guys today. I hope you're having a wonderful day and enjoy the short math lesson and the longer weekend. See you Monday.